What up, Poker Maniac? TFP back to another video. Sorry I ain't had no audio in the last couple videos, man. I'm still trying to get used to everything. Streamlabs and OBS, you feel me? Like, I just want to have everything situated. So, I'm still learning how to, make the volume go to certain programs. And it's just a bunch of stuff that I'm doing. That's why there's no audio. I just get on and do this video real quick and get off. But yeah, man, join the Discord, bro. I need everybody to join the Discord. If you like to gamble, check out teamforeverpaid.com/casino. It's right over here in the corner, man. Go sign up with Gamba. And I'm going to put the other sites on there as well, including in the Discord as well. Get up under all the codes, man. Every single site that we play on, man, it's a good site. I promise you. There's games on there, certain features that other casinos don't have, especially with Gamba, bro. Get on teamforeverpaid.com/casino on that one. Let's go, bro. I'm disappointed in everybody, man, because certain people out there have way more subscribers than me, started at the same time as me, doing the same thing as me, and they're at 100,000 subscribers, and I'm still stuck at 10. You know what I'm saying? Same type of channel, bro. Same type of channel. I'm pissed off. If I'm going to drop an hour and long video about everything and where this channel came about and how it came about, and I'm only dropping it in the Discord, so make sure you join the Discord and sign up on teamforeverpaid.com/casino Gamba. Sign up and let's go, bro, because I want to start doing my giveaways again, bro. But it's up to y'all. We died at 10,000. Why am I still at 10,000 subscribers and this man is at 100? I talk about that in the video. I'm gonna drop it next Wednesday. When's next Wednesday? Like the 11th or something? The 8th. I'm gonna drop the video on the 8th. So make sure you're in the Discord. I'm dropping it in the Discord. Join the Patreon too. You can join as a free member. I'm going to drop the Discord link in the Patreon as well. Make sure you join the Patreon as a free member, or if you want to know how I'm doing all this stuff, sign up, message me your username on Discord and your username on this, Gamba and stuff like that, so we can start getting it going, man. Y'all don't understand. Y'all don't understand what's going on, bro. And it's my fault. I'm not blaming y'all. It is my fault. But come on, bro. I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying? I take this stuff serious, bro. Y'all be like, "Oh, you don't know what you're doing. You don't know how to play." But yet my balance was more than I started with. That's the goal, bro. Doesn't fucking matter if I stand on a 7. If I stand on a 7 and I end with a higher balance than what I started with, bro, that is the absolute goal, man. And I should have raised right there. I'm talking. No, I shouldn't have. It's good. I'm not even happy about it. That's all I be saying, man. Y'all always find, "Oh, you stood on a 16, you're an idiot." That's not the point of Blackjack, bro. The point of Blackjack is to raise right here. You know what I'm saying? And you try to catch a Blackjack. That is the goal. It doesn't matter if you stood on 16 2 hands ago. You want to raise right here and get a Blackjack, bro. I'm not, hey, y'all be like, "Oh, he's fake. This shit's fake. Oh, this shit's fake." Okay, bro. Okay, whatever. Whatever. These wins and these W's, whatever you want to call it, bro. Even on Infinite Blackjack, bro. Infinite Blackjack's real cards coming out of the deck, bro. Do I win all the time on Infinite? No. But it's still the same concept. And you have to watch these dealers too. When they mess up and they accidentally burn a card, that wasn't by accident, bro. I promise you that wasn't by accident. That was not by accident. These dealers know what they're doing. They did shit to me in a real casino. Fucking burned a card. Like, what are you doing? You know damn well you don't hit on 18. Why the fuck is you pulling a card and you got an 18? Come on, bro. They do that on purpose because they see the player winning. It doesn't matter if you're raising or whatever. I could be flat betting it, and the cards are just going in my favor. The dealer keeps busting. What are they gonna do? Whoops, oops, I messed up. And when they mess up, what happens? The whole shoe gets fucked up. But why though? Why do dealers do that shit? Are they told? Cause I didn't even see a signal for anybody to tell her to do that. She just did that dumbass shit on her own. Now, if I would have seen somebody signal her, you know, because I pay attention to everybody, bro. Everybody around me. Who is she paying attention to? I'm gonna see it. Jack, bust with a jack. Bust with a jack. We need this hand. There's the jacks I was looking for. It didn't bust with it though. Subscribe to the channel, bro. Join the Discord, bro. Sign up with the links if you like to play. If you don't want to play, I'm not encouraging you to start gambling. But if you already gambling and you love to play blackjack, bro, let's build the team up for real, man. Teamforeverpaid. Go to teamforeverpaid.com/clothing. Get the merch, man. Let's get it, bro. Y'all asleep, man. Showing y'all the sauce, bro. Y'all like to follow the people who just be gambling, just straight degenerate shit, like straight like, oh, we're going $10,000 on one hand, like with no realistic ass calculation, nothing. Y'all just, that's who y'all like to watch, man. Some reckless ass behavior, bro. I do not condone reckless behavior. That's not what we do over here. Better not be weak. That's cool. Sorry, we're still at 2,000. Ooh, almost suited trips. We hit 6 of spades suited. Already.
You win.
Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. We're going to split these bad boys. Good split, because if that's a 10 plus 3 and plus 7, bad split, it didn't matter.
You win.
We lost either way. We should have raised the siders. I knew it. Let's hit it. 5. I didn't want to hit that.
You win.
Sorry, we're still floating. We're only up a little bit right now. We can't really make a move. The deck's not telling us we can make a move right now. It's kind of hard to determine when the right time is. We just made that successful $200 bet, but we're right back now. We gotta chill, bro. Join the Discord. Join the Patreon as a free member. I'm gonna be sending out emails. Join with your best email. We're gonna raise here. I want to get in the Discord and be hands-on with y'all. You feel what I'm saying? Where's the 9 right there?
You win.
What is this whole channel about? Teamwork. Like, I know I hate saying this weird ass BS, but teamwork makes the dream work. 2 heads is always better than 1.
You win.
As long as they're on the same page. They're working towards the same goal. I would rather have 1,000 people working towards the same goal, you know what I'm saying, than 1,000,000 people with their own fucking ego type shit. You know what I'm saying? With their own little agendas, and you can't trust them.
You win.
But if everybody's working towards the same thing and we're trying to get money and nobody's out here stranded, I want to weed out the people that are actually loyal and shit. You feel what I'm saying? Too many people out here scamming people. Why would you scam somebody? Why would you scam somebody over $200 when y'all could have worked to build 200,000? You want to get a little weak ass 2,000, man, or $200? Like, nah, because once your name gets out there as you're a scammer, bro, good luck with that. 6. It's all good. Come on, we need this hand here. We go for it. Let's do 15 on the sides. Oh, we got the 20 though. We raised and got the 20, but I was hoping for a heart at least.
You win.
Cause it bothers me when we raised and got another blackjack on some calculated shit. It wasn't
You
just
win.
oh I think by because my toenail hit the floor to the left, so I'm just gonna bet. No, it wasn't no weird ass stuff like that. It was actually calculations, man. Come on, man. I'm trying to show y'all I'm doing this shit, man. It just bothers me when I see people doing the exact same thing, bro, and they got 100,000 subscribers. Like, what happened, man? And I'm showing y'all the sauce. I'm giving y'all the game. This ain't no plus
You
one,
win.
minus one, plus one, plus three, negative 10 count. Nah, bro. Ain't none of that, bro. Ain't none of that, bro. Sexy. 18, 18, 18. Bust with an 8. Ocho. Okay.
You win.
That's good money. Alright, we gotta keep the same bet though. We can't really do nothing. Stand. I don't know. Oh, that's right. There's the 5. Alright, let's try it right here. Come on. Oh, the ace was in play, but we got messed over. I'm staying on 15 all day. Don't matter. 10-10. Oh, we were so close. It's alright, but guess what? We risked the profit. We're still up 10 bucks. You know? And then whenever you miss, you just have to restart. And sometimes it's just better to stop. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna chill. My bottom is 1,000 anyway. So whatever happens, either we're gonna get to 1,000 or we're gonna get to 3. Almost suited trips. We're gonna double down. Get some money on the table.
You win.
Alright. What should we see? Queens? 2s or queens? No, we got the aces. 7, okay.
You win.
That was tough. Gotta hit 13s, man.
You win. You win. You win. You win. You win.
I'm gonna end the video right here. Subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Join the Patreon, free member, join the Discord, sign up at teamforeverpaid.com/casino so I can give y'all giveaways. Message me on Patreon your Discord name and your username on the casino so I can throw you like little money here and there. Sign up on the code, but y'all have to wager though. Y'all have to wager. If you like playing blackjack, wager. You can play this game, you can play online craps, all that, man. Subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.